Right, so athletes are under stress during the stress of their workout, right? There's a physical stress, there's a mental stress, but usually when they end that workout and they recover appropriately, cortisol comes down naturally and everything's fine. They have a short exposure to cortisol, good. Cortisol goes away, good. But when athletes are overstressed or overtrained, they can get into a situation where they are overexposed to cortisol. So we know that that suppresses their immune system. And what we did in this study was we were trying to look at ingredients that would keep the immune system from becoming suppressed. We weren't looking at boosting the immune system. We were simply looking to see if we could keep the immune system normal in the face of stress. And if we can do that, then the athletes recover better, they don't get sick, they don't get hurt. It's a really good thing for the athletes. And we looked at an ingredient called ThymoQuin, which is a black seed oil. It's a very specific kind of black seed oil. Black seed oil is one of these nutrients that's been used for everything in traditional medicine, right? It has kind of an image of being a cure-all because it's used for so many different things. And we wanted to try to get to the root of the problem, and we found that it was related to cortisol. 44, 47, very significant reduction. And that was a unique finding because we knew it was going to help the immune system. There was already data prior to our studies showing that it helped balance the inflammatory cascade, so really kept inflammation within those healthy levels. But we didn't necessarily know it was going to have this effect on stress hormones. We also found benefits for the microbiome, so an aspect of the microbiome related to the immune system was improved, and we found that people felt better. We found that stress levels were lower, which makes sense based on the cortisol results, and energy levels were higher. So this was a really, really nice finding that had never been discovered before.